The Eagle in the Chicken Farm. Once upon a time, there was a farm in the village. There was a smooth cliff beside the farm, and two eagles built their nest there. Once there was an earthquake. One of the eagle's eggs fell into the farm. The chicken found the egg and took care of it. Soon the eagle egg hatched along with the chicken eggs. The chicken thought the eagle was a chicken too, and it was raised to be a chicken. One day, when the eagle was playing with other chickens, it saw eagles flying high. Eagle said, "I wish I could fly like that." His friends made fun of him. "Ha ha ha, you are a chicken and chicken don't fly high." The eagle believed its friends and thought, "They're right, after all I'm a chicken." The story tells us, you become what you believe you are. So if you dream of becoming an eagle, follow your dreams, not the words of a chicken. We should not limit ourselves by accepting the beliefs and limitations of others. Just as the eagle had the ability to fly but did not realize it, we too have potential beyond what we may believe or what others tell us. It's important to explore and discover our own abilities and not let the limitations of others hold us back. Thanks for watching.